Alright. Hello, Kitika ma'am. Good to see you. I think your kids are having good time. You had good time with the drama?
Afia, you're there?
Yeah, I saw you all chewing gums. That's nice.
Yes, Akle. Now it's fine?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's very good, you know. And they had a little longer class. This was the first drama class they had. So it just extended a little, just 5 minutes.
Yes, Afia?
A little break, 5 minutes.
Are you there in the class? I cannot see you. He's not there, right?
Yeah, almost there. I think everyone's back.
Afia just... Okay. Okay, so everyone has joined. Umaira, Ahmad has not yet come. Let us start with our facts part.
They're teaching each
Okay,
other.
Fatana, you start. What have you found out the fact about lungs?
Ma'am, it says you use water when you breathe. Like
We use water or we breathe in water?
no, ma'am. 1 minute. It is said, ma'am, you lose a lot of water just by breathing.
Okay, yes, we lose a lot of water, right? Because water vapor comes out of our body, right? Okay, next, Amina.
Ma'am, children and women breathe faster and they have a higher breathing rate than men.
Then, do you know the number of breaths in per minute? How many it is there? Anybody has found out how many average breath we take
Yes, ma'am.
per minute?
13.
Yes, Amina?
Me, ma'am.
13 pins.
13 pins. Okay. Rakleen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have found out a fact?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Each of our lung contains about 300 million alveoli.
300 billion?
Million alveoli.
Yeah.
Everyone, yeah, I think.
Yeah, Abdullah?
Someone, you can start. Alright, stop saying screen, Umema.
Yeah, Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
So we got
What
everyone
is your
here.
fact?
I'll tell.
Yeah, tell.
The lungs are in the same size. To accommodate the heart, the right lung is larger than the left lung. For humans, that oxygen only plays a small part in breathing.
Yes. Okay. Safia, have you found?
I screenshotted it, ma'am.
So read it.
The respiratory system is a biological system consisting of specific organs and structures used for gas exchanges.
Oh, that is a definition of respiratory system. Anything interesting about lungs you have to find out. Okay, you find out. I'll come back to you. Yeah, Muazzam.
Ma'am, I found one.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Muazzam.
we exhale almost over 17 ml of water every hour.
Correct. That is related to Farhana's only. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Both of you have found only one?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Abdullah, just a moment.
Ma'am,
Mudabbir, not audible.
I also found one.
Yeah, tell me, Mudabbir, the fact.
Ma'am, your lungs contain a large amount of blood, and contrary to the idea of hollow lungs, are actually very full.
Yes, very good. Yeah, Humaira, have you found out a fact?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
A person, when the person is sleeping, he breathes between 12 to 15 times in a minute.
Right. Yeah. Okay, who is left? Muneeb?
Yes.
Muneeb, have you found out a fact about lungs?
Yes, ma'am. This lungs float on water, ma'am. That.
Great. Okay. Ahmad? Yeah, Ahmad? You want to write in chat?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Sakleen?
Ma'am, me, Abdullah.
Yeah, Abdullah.
Lungs are the only organs that can float on water.
He told, na? Muneeb also told the same thing. Anyone else has some more facts about lungs? Safia, did you find any more?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
The lungs are in the same size. To accommodate the heart, the right lung is larger than the left lung.
That is also done. Okay, fine. So we have done so many facts. Ahmad, are you there?
Man, lungs float on water.
We have covered all these facts we have covered. So we know now so many interesting facts about lungs, and we have already read. Who is this? Aisha Nisar. Okay, so let us start with our class. Before that, since we have already completed our respiratory system, we are going to start with a new body system. Before that, we'll just play a small activity, or you can say a game. I'll give you some instructions. You have to follow that. Okay. So for that, you have to switch on your videos, everyone, for some time, so that I can see you also, because you have to show the instruction. Okay. Yeah. Ahmad, did you find out any fact about lungs?
I found out that lungs are bigger than a tennis court.
Lungs are greater than?
A tennis court.
A tennis court, yeah. The surface area of the lungs is greater than the tennis court. Okay. Okay, so let us start with one activity I'm giving you. Just listen to my instructions carefully. When I say brain, you have to touch your head like this with both your hands. Okay. When I say heart, you have to make a heart shape like this. You know how to make heart shape?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When I say heart, you have to make heart shape like this, so that I can also see. And when I say touch, you have to just stretch your hand sideways.
Like this?
Put the hand sideways. Okay. Is it clear? When I say brain, you will do like this. When I say heart, you will do like this. And when I say touch, you will do like this. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So first, I'll say all the instructions slowly, and then we'll make it faster. Okay. So let us start. Heart, brain, touch, touch, heart, brain, heart, brain, heart, touch, brain, brain, no, brain, heart. Now I'll do faster. Brain, heart, brain, heart, brain, heart, touch, touch, heart, brain, heart, touch, brain, touch, heart. Munir, what happened? Brain, heart, touch. Yeah, very good. Excellent. Okay, so what we were doing, what was this activity about? What did we do just now? When I gave instructions,
some sort of exercise,
listen and do.
You gave instruction and our brain come up.
The instruction, and you responded to the instruction, right? So you gave a response to the instruction. So basically, what do we infer from this activity? That when that human body is responsible for, means our human body controls and coordinates the activities, coordinates the response. Okay. So whatever activity we do, there is our body controls it. You heard it, and then you followed it, and then you did it. So you are your body is controlling and then coordinating with the activities, right? Yes, so do you know now which system in our body is responsible for this control and coordination? Anyone can answer?
Brain.
Coordinated system.
See, nervous system is the body system that we're going to study, and brain is the boss of the nervous system. But brain alone cannot work on its own. It cannot do all the work on its own. So it has other organs also present in the nervous system. Okay. So along with brain, we have other organs also present in the nervous system. Today we are going to study nervous system. Okay. So I'll just share screen and then we'll have introduction and then we'll start with the class. Okay. So nervous system. Now just see this picture carefully. Observe it. Huh? What is it? All the picture, everything, just see and tell me that you have seen. Then I'll give you a question.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
I'm done. Seen the picture? There are certain animals and birds and insects.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are the names given?
Penguin, giraffe, bear, bird, spider, camel, chicken, pig, zebra, snake,
Done, ma'am.
tiger, elephant, turtle, cow.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Right, I'm going to give you another picture with these figures will be there, but some other name will be written on the picture. Okay, so you have to name the organism present at the back. Okay, I'm just showing you the slide and I'll call your names. Okay, like this should be penguin. You cannot say spider over here. Okay. So Amina, just read the first line. Not read, just identify the animals in the first line. Yes.
Penguin, giraffe.
Faster.
Penguin, giraffe, bear, bird, and spider.
Yeah. Next, Safia. Next line.
A camel, a chicken, a pig, a zebra, and a snake.
Yeah. Sakleen. Next line.
Tiger, elephant, turtle, cow, and fish.
Humaira, last line.
Cat, frog, crab, fly, and horse.
Yeah. Now somebody has to read very fast. Farhana, just read very fast. Full slide.
I can do that.
Penguin, giraffe, bear, bird, spider, camel, chicken, pig, zebra, snake, tiger, elephant, turtle, cow, fish, cat, frog, crab, bee, horse.
Yeah. Anyone can?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I try, ma'am?
Ma'am, Munib, can I read?
Yeah, first Munib, then Abdullah.
Okay.
Me, ma'am.
Just a moment. Yeah. Tell me.
I'll start.
Faster.
Ma'am. Penguin, giraffe, bear, bird, spider, camel, chicken, pig, zebra, snake, tiger, elephant.
Just a moment. Sorry. Huh?
Tiger, elephant, turtle, cow, fish, cat, frog, crab, bee, horse.
Yes. Abdullah, you say?
Yes, ma'am. Penguin, giraffe, bear, bird, spider, camel, chicken, pig, zebra, snake, tiger, elephant, turtle, cow, fish, cat, frog, crab, bee, and horse.
Yes. Who else want to read? Want to say the names?
I
mean, done already. Muazzam, Mudabbir, they are left. Yeah, Muazzam.
Ma'am, penguin, giraffe, bear, bird, spider, camel, chicken, pig, zebra, snake, tiger, elephant, turtle, cow, fish, cat, frog, crab, fly, horse.
Yes. Okay. So next, yeah, very good, everyone. So next slide, do you know what you have to do in the next slide? See, what is it?
Down.
It is
Down,
Up, down, up, left,
No,
right.
you have to read. You don't have to read this. You have to read the next one, and what you have to do, I'm telling you. See, see, it is up, down. So you have to, whatever is written here is up. Whatever is written down here is down. Whatever is written this side is left, and any letter written here is right. Okay, you have to understand that way. So this is proper. You can see up. This is down. This is up. Left,
Left, right,
is up, is down. So this is, all these are written correctly. But in the next slide, it is written differently. That you have to see. It is written down, but you have to say up because it's placed here. Here you have to say down. Here
down, up, left.
Okay. Who will try now? First?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, Amina. Yes, Amina. Full slide you have to read.
Ma'am, I.
Up, left, right, up, down.
No, start beginning. I didn't see. Beginning first.
Up, down, up, left, right, up, down, up, left, right, up, left, up, down, up, left, right, up.
Yes. Who will try next?
I.
Mudabbir has not done. Mudabbir, you try.
Yes, ma'am. Up, down, up, left, right, up, down, up, left, right, up, left, up, down, up, left, right, up.
Yes. Who will try next?
Can I try?
You have to try faster, huh? Faster than you have to say.
Okay. Up, down, up, left, right, up, down, up, right, up, left, right, up, left, up, down, up, left, right, up.
Yes. Who else will try faster?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes.
Wait, the first one or the
full
right? Okay. Up, down, up, left, right, up, down, up, left, right, up, left, up, down, up, left, right, up.
Okay. Anyone else want to try, or should I try?
Ma'am, you try.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you try, ma'am.
Up, down, up, down, up, left, right, up, then down, up, left, right, up, then again left, then up, down, up, then left, right, up.
Yes. Okay. Anyone else want to try? Humaira, you want to try?
Just go to the extra dots on the screen share. It says advanced.
Humaira, Farhana, anyone? Who will try? No, Humaira? Farhana, you will try?
Like if you just the three dots.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, why?
Mama, you try.
Okay, now I'll try. Okay, let us see. This is up, down, up, left, right, up, down, up, left, right, up, left, up, down, up, left, right, up. Fine? It should be fast.
Ma'am, it follows a pattern, ma'am. The first line and the last line, ma'am.
Is it?
See, ma'am, it follows a pattern. First line and the last line.
Yes, it's following a pattern. First and last line is similar. Yeah, correct.
Ma'am, can you go to the slide before this one?
Before one also you want? Okay.
Yeah.
Just a moment.
Up, down, up, left, up, down.
Sorry.
It is faster.
This one you want? You want me to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, I'm very slow. Huh? I'm still I'll try. Let's start. Penguin, giraffe, bear, bird, spider, camel, chicken, pig, zebra, snake, tiger, elephant, turtle, cow, fish, cat, frog, crab, bee, and horse. Is it okay?
Yeah, that was really nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. We have to practice. Okay, so let us start with our chapter now. This is Stimulus and response. Now, before we begin with proper nervous system, we should know some terms. Now, what is stimulus? Any change in external environment because of which we react. Okay, something we give a reaction, that is stimulus. Okay, for example, suppose I do like this, somebody who is sitting in front, so he will blink right? So that is response, and this action is what? Stimulus. So stimulus is any change in environment which leads to or which evoke a response from it. That is stimulus. And response is the reaction which is given in a reaction which is given because of the cause or because of the stimulus. Understood this? Understood. Suppose if I throw a chalk on you, if it is not a virtual classroom, what will you do? What will you do? You will just move your head like this. So that is your response. And I'm throwing a chalk on you. That means that is the stimulus which is causing to move your head sideways. Okay. So suddenly, suppose one ambulance is moving across the road. So the sound is there. Okay.
So you get that side.
So it is, if it is disturbing you, what you will do? You will just cover your ear. Okay, because the noise, suppose some noise is there outside, so noise is disturbing you, you'll cover your ear. So what is the stimulus over here? Stimulus is the noise, and you're covering your ear is the response. Is it clear?
And
what is
coming like a car of speed, and then you get aside, that's also stimulus and response.
Yes, Safi, I didn't understand. What are you saying?
Like a car comes in a really fast speed, and then you hear it, and then you get aside, that's also stimulus and response.
Stimulus is car coming towards you and you move aside, that is your response. Okay. So the action which you are doing because of the stimulus is response, and stimulus is any change or any change in external or internal environment because of which you are giving some reaction. Okay. There is always stimulus and response going on 24 hours. Every time stimulus and response is there. That we'll study now through a video also I'll show you, and some examples also. You can see the difference between stimulus and responses. Stimulus is an event or condition that initiates a response. Okay. So basically stimulus is a cause. It is a condition that initiates a response, and response is a reaction to the specific stimulus. So stimulus is change in environment, and reaction, organism reaction to stimulus is response. Stimulus varies according to its type, intensity, location, and duration. Response may be physical, cellular, or it may be behavioral. It is not necessary that response is visible only. Okay. Sometimes anger is also a response. Understood? Suppose somebody gives you a gali and you get angry. So that is a response. And when you go and give a slap, that is also a response. Got it? That is the response. But उसमें क्या है? Brain is also involved. क्या होता है? कान से सुनाई दिया. Somebody says something abusing to you, goes into your ear. Ear से किधर जाता है? It goes to your brain. Brain ने पूरा history निकाला. ये गाली का क्या मतलब है? Oh, that is very bad. That is an insult. So brain ने supply किया. Brain ने command दिया. It goes to your hand. जाओ उसको मारो. So it goes. ठीक है? This is the whole process going on normally. This is just an example. So stimulus response, and usme brain is also involved. Here we are talking just about stimulus and response, but response aata kidhar se hai, because the brain is sending the message. You have to do like this. Okay, so that is our response. But it takes very small amount of time, but this whole process goes on inside the body. Okay. You can see over here, stimulus and response. Stimulus, then there is one term, receptor. Receptor means, like I said, kaan se suna tumne, you heard it from your ear. So ear is your receptor, okay, which takes in the stimulus, which takes in. So अगर कुछ मारा, suppose you saw it, suppose you are seeing, for example यहाँ पे ये example है, यहाँ पे you see that this thing, the pan is there, you see, and then you hold it. When you are holding it, your hand is the receptor. Okay, when you are holding something hot, तो hand is the receptor. You feel hot, तो ये supply हुआ brain तक, and brain sends the command कि it is hot, take back your hand. Okay, so ये हुआ, this is your receptor, your hand is the receptor. यहाँ से it sends the signal to brain. Brain then sends the command कि it is hot, take back your hand. So this is effector. Effector is again your hand because you are taking back your hand. Okay. In that example, that Gali example which I gave, ear
What
was
is
the
CNS?
CNS is, I will explain you. It is
In the previous example that you gave, the ear will be receptor and effector, right?
No, ear was the receptor and the slap which you gave, so hand was your effector. Got it? Ear because you heard the gali, can't say, and then it sent the signal to brain. Brain ने analyze किया. CNS is brain. Okay? Brain ने analyze किया. Brain sends the signal to your hand कि go and slap. So hand is your effector. Got it? So hand is the effector and that is your response. Hand effector and slapping is the response. Don't do this, huh? I'm just giving you an example. Huh?
Ma'am, I would never do that.
It's just an example. So this is a response. So slapping is a response. Effector is your hand. Ear is your receptor. Got it? Is it clear? This example? Okay. Some more example we'll do. Then I'll show you a video also. You can see here. Now you can see phone ringing. Phone ringing. Receptor is what? Ear. Again, ear is your receptor. Sends the signal to brain. Brain analyzes कि I should pick up the phone. So it sends the signal to what? Hand को दिया, right? So hand will pick up the phone. So hand is the effector. Hand will pick up the phone and start talking is your response. Understood the steps? So 4 steps are there. Stimulus, receptor, then goes to brain, which is a coordinator, then to effector, and then response. Clear to everyone? Now, can you give me some examples in your day-to-day life of this stimulus? Like I gave 1 or 2 examples just now. Can you think of one example, or you can make one example here?
Ma'am, when somebody calls us to like do something, that time we go there.
Explain what is stimulus and what is your response. Suppose your mom calls.
The person who is calling, like your mother or father, they will be the stimulus. Then
calling your name is stimulus. Okay. Then?
Yeah. And then our ears will be the receptor.
No. Okay. Ear is yeah, correct.
And then brain will be the coordinator. It will send it to the effector. Effector will be like when we go there.
So your body, whole body is going. So your whole means legs, you can say. Next, going to
the response will be when you're doing whatever they do.
Right.
Ma'am, I also have examples.
Yes, Munib.
Ma'am, if we are going out, we hear that the rain has started.
Yes.
So it will be our stimulus, and then no, it will be the receptor, and then the brain will give the command to the hand that go and take the umbrella, and then you will go out with the umbrella is the response.
Yes. So rain is your stimulus. Okay.
Yes.
Then what is your receptor?
Ear. We hear it. Ear.
No, rain is not ear. You have moved out in rain, na?
Yes.
So receptor is your body. You can say your head getting wet. Getting wet, na? So your body is getting wet. So that is your body, your skin, you can say. Your skin is the receptor, right? Because whole body is getting wet. Now brain is your coordinator as always, and brain sends the signal to your hand to open the umbrella, and then opening of the umbrella is the
response.
Yes, Afia.
Like when you go and when you hear that there is a movie coming up in the theater, it's a receptor that you just hear, and then when you
No, what is stimulus? First step is stimulus. So what is stimulus?
When you hear that you are watching a movie, so that's stimulus. Like you hear that this movie is really good, and then you watch, so the brain gives you the response.
Stimulus is you have heard that movie is good.
Yeah.
So your ear is your receptor.
And then when the brain tells you that you should really go and watch, and then when you watch the movie,
that is
response.
Okay, and effector is your eyes watching movie. Okay, okay, good. Next, who else will try about stimulus and response? Any idea, any example? So many examples are there. Any day-to-day life example you can take. Anyone? Think about it.
Ma'am, if a teacher asks you a question, if a teacher...
Who is answering, Muni? You are answering?
Yes, ma'am.
You have already told now?
I have one more example.
Okay, tell me.
If a teacher is asking you a question, and the question will be the stimulus, and you hear the question will be the receptor, then the brain will give you the command to give the answer will be the effector, and when you give the answer,
your mouth will be your effector,
and then when you tell the answer will be the response.
Yes, very good. Yes, Abdullah, you were saying something? Abdullah, you have one example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give.
For example, you are getting late for a bus.
Huh.
So, you know, like you go down. For example, you are living in a hotel or something. You go down, ask the watchman what time is the train or the bus, anything. He'll tell you the time. And for example, you are getting late, so you have to run to catch.
But you have to explain what is stimulus and what is your response. You are running. That will be your response.
Yeah.
But what is the stimulus? The watchman
telling you the time.
Is the stimulus, no?
Yeah. Yes.
So your brain tells, again, ear is your receptor. Your brain tells you are late and you have to run. So your legs are effector, and when you are running, that is your response. Okay, I'll show you one video on stimulus and response, and rest those who have not yet got example, you have to think of one example and give it to me after this video. Okay, so screen is visible? Video?
Yes.
Just a moment, I'm just finding it the window.
A stimulus is a change in
Just
an
a moment,
organism's
I'll just
environment
log in and log out.
that affects the activity of the organism.